Hey, welcome back. Last episode I started clearing the backyard. This one is different. 3 projects, 3 days, 1 per day. First, a sandbox for my son. He always heads straight for the sandbox at the playground, so I decided to bring one home. Second, the old garden bench in the front yard, probably built in the 70s, same time as the house. And then the swing in the backyard. It had been waiting for a long time for someone to fix it up. So let's get into it. For the sandbox I'm using 12 boards, each 200 centimeters long, that's about 6 foot 7. First step, check the wood. Some boards came out rougher than expected. Before anything else I run them through the planer. I'm also using 6 shorter pieces for the corners, 30 centimeters each, just under a foot. Once the wood was smooth, I moved to finishing. Natural linseed oil, no additives. Straight into the wood. It brings out the grain and adds some protection before it goes outside. Adding 2 deck boards, the same 200 centimeters along the edges, enough to sit on while he plays. Next morning, the sand delivery arrived. 1 ton dropped straight from the truck. The sandbox is done. Half a day start to finish. Watching him dig into it made it worth it. Did you have a sandbox as a kid? Let me know in the comments. First step is disassembly, pulling the old wood off the concrete frame. Mechanically, this part is simple. The real problem today is the heat, over 40 degrees Celsius. Once I got it off, I could see the underside was rotten. I'd hoped to save the original wood, sand it down, maybe just refinish it. Not an option, it has to be replaced. After pressure washing the concrete frame to clear off the dirt and moss, I wire brushed the metal brackets to strip rust and loose paint down to bare metal. With that done, I'm applying an anti-rust spray. This seals the metal and stops corrosion before I attach the new wood. Now I'm filling the holes in the concrete frame with mortar. Water was pooling in those holes, which is what rotted the original wood from underneath. Sealing them now prevents the same thing happening to the new boards. Drilling the mounting holes in the new boards. Each board is 225 cm, about 7 foot 4.5 inches long, 100 mm, about 4 inches wide, 30 mm, just over an inch thick. Applying 2 coats of stain to the new boards. First coat, let it absorb, then the second for even color and protection. Let's remember. This bench has been in the same spot since 70s. Whatever it saw over those years is not going anywhere. New wood, new coat, same frame. Next chapter starts here. Disassembly starts and the first problem shows up right away. The threaded pins holding the swing to the frame won't come out without damaging them. But there's no alternative. It gets renovated as is. using a laser cleaner to strip rust and the first layer of paint from the frame. It burns off the old paint, then I will wire brush the frame after. Easier than wire brushing straight onto the painted metal. Where there was rust is now bare metal. Where there was old paint is now down to the original anti-rust red primer. After wire brushing, the difference is clearer. Where there was rust is now clean metal. Where there was paint is down to a thin layer of primer ready to paint over. Now it's ready for fresh primer. Applying 2 coats of black outdoor paint. Happy how the paint job turned out, even though I rushed the second coat because a short storm was coming in. So I moved into the workshop. The planer removes the old paint from the wood, only a millimeter off each side, since the boards were in good condition and didn't need full replacement. using a joint planer. Removes the old paint from the edges of the boards. Sanding the remaining paint the planers couldn't reach. Then staining, same stain used on the bench. Sandblasting the nuts to strip rust and old paint before reuse. Gluing the nuts to protect the bare metal and give them a finished look before reassembling. The cover is an improvisation. Couldn't find one matching the dimensions, so I bought a gazebo side wall and modified it to fit. Let's remember. Three projects done: sandbox, bench, swing. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. The place is finally starting to look lived in, even though there is still a lot of work ahead. Subscribe to follow the rest of it. See you in the next one!